Good afternoon, my viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this platform, I'll be taking you through on how to install Mendeley, on how to install Mendeley. Then I'll be taking you on how to account for the setup. Then I'll also take you on how to view what you've done. But for me, I've downloaded my Mendeley, so I'm just going to log in and I'll take you through. But in case you don't have an account with Mendeley, there are things that you will have to do so that you open up your Mendeley account. So the first thing you'll do, if you don't have an account, you'll start by coming to the browser. You'll open the browser. Then on opening the browser, you'll type in Mendeley desktop. It's here. Then you'll search for it. Then we have this one. It's not what we are looking for. We want to download Mendeley desktop. That's what we are looking for. So you'll come and click on it. After clicking on the desktop, you'll be able to see what you want. Then you'll scroll down. For Mendeley, but this is not, it's what we are going to download. But for me, I've already downloaded mine, so I was just showing you on how to get it in case you don't have an account. So let me take you through the account I've opened. I will come to this PC. Then on opening it, I'll go to downloads. Here, so I have my Mendeley account here. So I'll just log in since I had already created it. So I'll be installing it again. Let's wait for it to open. Now, when you're installing Mendeley, they'll ask you two options. One is anyone who uses this computer, or all users, anyone can use the Mendeley, or only for me or the admins. So I'll choose anyone to use the Mendeley. I'll click on next. As it's opening, so it is installing. After that one, we'll click on finish. So we have already installed the Mendeley account we are looking for. So it's telling me, welcome to Mendeley. So look for more options. But me, I already have an account with Mendeley. That's why I've installed it easily. And if you don't have an account, you would follow the other way of going to the browser, then typing in Mendeley to give you the account that you're looking for. So that is basically what I've brought for you this evening on how to install Mendeley account, then how to create it, because if you've not created it, you have to sign in using your email account, but if you've already created the account, you'll just log in. So thank you for watching my videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe.